This is a short comparison between the Røde VideoMic NTG and the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. I've done this before, but last time because I was using the original firmware on the Røde VideoMic NTG, people say that it has higher noise floor than the Deity V-Mic D3 Pro. And turns out Røde say that, oh yeah, sorry about that. But then, because it is the first digital mic, something like that, and then they can upgrade the firmware to fix the issue. So now I'm using the latest firmware 1.1.1 and they say that the noise issue should be fixed. So now what do you think? The Røde VideoMic NTG compared to Deity V-Mic D3 Pro? Which one do you think is better? Leave your comment below. Once and for all, which one is better? Leave your votes in the comments. Deity V-Mic D3 Pro mic. This is short comparison. This is short